Welcome to E-MetroTel. In this video, we will demonstrate how Zoho CRM integrates with the E-MetroTel Infinity platform to help businesses improve productivity, streamline communications, and enhance customer interactions. Let's take a look.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Infinity One. Today, I am excited to show you how Infinity One provides a powerful softphone solution that can be integrated into CRM platforms with just a few clicks. Infinity One offers a customizable telephony widget that can be embedded directly inside your CRM. This allows sales and support teams to make calls without leaving their CRM environment, improving productivity and ensuring that all customer interactions are properly tracked and logged. Let's take a look at the user interface. As you can see, we have a fully functional dial pad that allows users to make and receive calls directly from within the CRM. We also provide access to call history, recent activities, and detailed call logs, making it easy to track customer interactions. Now let's place some calls. 202 is another number, which you can see. Let's place a call on this number. I have entered a phone number, and now I will initiate a call. As you can see, the system recognizes this, and the record already exists in the CRM. It automatically opens the associated lead record. This allows agents to instantly view customer information while handling the call. Now, let's make a call. Users can also add logs directly against the customer record. For example, this is a sales call. Now I will hit save and end the call. Let's go to the timeline. You can see this is the log that we added. And now we can also see it here. Let's go into the preferences section. In the preferences section, administrators can configure how new records are created. For example, they can choose whether unknown callers should automatically be created as a lead or as a contact. That's it from the Zoho side. Now let's look at the administration side. Infinity One also provides centralized administration and CRM management. Administrators can control which CRM integrations are available to their organization. With a simple toggle, integrations can be enabled or disabled as needed, giving organizations complete control over CRM connectivity. As you can see, Zoho is enabled. This flexibility allows businesses to manage multiple CRM platforms while maintaining a consistent telephony experience across all of them. So that's it from the Infinity One side. Thank you for watching.
We hope this demonstration has provided valuable insight into the integration between Zoho CRM and the E-MetroTel Infinity platform. For more information about E-MetroTel solutions, please visit emetrotel.com or contact our sales team today. Thank you for choosing E-MetroTel.